Are you looking for healthy and delicious homemade food recipes for your French Bulldog? Look no further. Today, we're sharing some easy and nutritious recipes that your furry friend will love. Number 1. Homemade dog food. Let's start with a simple yet nutritious homemade dog food recipe. Combine lean ground turkey, cooked brown rice, and mixed vegetables for a balanced meal that is packed with protein, carbohydrates, and essential nutrients. This wholesome dish will provide your French Bulldog with the energy and nourishment they need to thrive. Number 2. Chicken and sweet potato delight. Next up, indulge your French Bulldog with a homemade chicken and sweet potato recipe. Boil boneless, skinless chicken breast with diced sweet potatoes and green beans until tender. This flavorful and nutrient-rich meal is loaded with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, promoting optimal health and vitality for your beloved pet. Number 3. Irresistible homemade dog treats. For a special treat, whip up some homemade dog treats using ingredients like peanut butter, oats, and bananas. These irresistible snacks are not only delicious, but also packed with wholesome ingredients that provide a boost of energy and nutrition. Your French Bulldog will go crazy for these tasty treats, and you'll love knowing exactly what's in them. Number 4. Important consideration. While these homemade recipes are nutritious and delicious, it's crucial to consult with your veterinarian before making any changes to your dog's diet. They can provide personalized recommendations based on your dog's age, weight, health status, and dietary needs. With a little effort and creativity in the kitchen, you can provide your furry friend with nourishing meals and treats that are both tasty and nutritious. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more pet-friendly recipes and tips to pamper your beloved companion. Until next time, happy cooking and wagging tails.